So I've got the Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds, and let me show you how to pair and connect this to your Mac or MacBook. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Mac's Bluetooth settings, and you can do that by clicking on this icon, the control center icon in the menu bar at the top here. And then you want to go to Bluetooth and click on this little arrow and then select Bluetooth settings. That should open up the Bluetooth settings window. And on this window, it's going to start scanning for available devices at the bottom here. So you can see it says searching. So that means you need to quickly put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, just slide open the case, and then you want to press and hold this button here inside the case. And you can press and hold this button until the light on the case starts chiming or blinking like that. Once you see that, it means they're now in Bluetooth pairing mode. And now they should be detected by your Mac. You can see they're already detected here. So I can just click on connect, and they should get paired and connected. There you go. So now they are paired and connected. As you can see, you can even see the battery level, and the light on the case stops blinking. That means these are now ready to be taken out of their case. Put them on your ears, and you can use them to consume media, whether it's music or movies or any kind of audio from your Mac. Now, the microphone will also be active, right? So just to make sure that they have the correct output, sound output device, just come back here to the control center icon, and then on the sound menu, click on this little arrow, and then make sure the Soundcore Liberty 5s are highlighted as the output device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.